अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरी प्यारी बहनों, मेरे प्यारे भाइयों, क्या हाल चाल है। अल्लाह ताला आपको खुश रखे, सेहत दे, आपकी औलाद को आपकी आंखों की ठंडक बनाए। अल्लाह ताला आपके रोज़े सारे कबूल करे। तो आज मेरी बहू आपको बहुत ज़बरदस्त ईद से पहले ईद का गिफ्ट दे रही है। वो आपकी स्किन के लिहाज से बताएगी कि क्या वो टोटका देगी जिससे आपकी स्किन जो है वो साफ़ हो जाएगी। तो वो ये भी बताएगी कि उसे कैसे यूज़ करना है।
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you're doing well. There's just a few days left of Ramadan. I hope you're spending your time with family in this blessed month, and I hope your rosa are going well. Today I have come up alongside with my mother-in-law with a new tip. It's a DIY tip for discoloration. You can use this tip anywhere on your body, but I still recommend doing it on a safe place first, such as your elbow or somewhere else where it's not so sensitive, and then you can try it out on other body parts. So let's get on with how to mix it, and I will show you in a bit how to apply it as well. So first of all, we have some baking soda here, then we have some egg white, and then we have some honey, and finally we have some lemon as well. Okay, so we have 4 ingredients for this DIY tip. All you have to do is just take a teaspoon of egg white. Okay, so we'll just mix it in a bowl. So just 1 teaspoon. You can even add more, 2 teaspoons if you require more. I'll add 2. After that, we'll squeeze a bit of lemon, so also around 2 teaspoons. Then we will add some baking soda, so just some baking soda like shown, so you can see how it's actually resolving. And lastly we will add some honey. So it's just 1 teaspoon of honey. Okay, obviously the solution will be a little bit sticky, but it's supposed to be sticky. And then finally, when you have added all the ingredients, we will mix them all together just like this. So just mix it quite well until you can see this light yellowish color. Okay, so now we have our solution. Again, as I said, if you require more, you can always add more. Okay, so then I will take a brush or something and I will actually apply it on the knuckles of my hand, because sometimes these parts are also a bit discolored. So you just take a bit of mixture on a brush or something, and then you can just apply it like this. Oops. Just make sure you apply it evenly. Obviously make sure that there is something underneath, because it can get quite messy with the solution. So apply it evenly. And as you know, lemon is very good for any kind of skin problem. So just alone the use of lemon is quite beneficial in this, because it has vitamin C in it. Okay, so now you can see I have applied the solution. Obviously you can apply it more, but for now I will just show you on my knuckles mainly, and then after 5 to 10 minutes you can actually wipe it off, and then you will see a solution. Okay, so as I was saying, after you have applied it, just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It's up to you. You can also wait a bit longer. Obviously if it doesn't sting you, it should not sting you. Even if it does, it might just be the lemon. However, all the other ingredients or solutions are all very calming to the skin. There's also another benefit to this tip. It's also moisturizing your fingers or wherever you apply it. So it's got 2 benefits. Not only removes it discoloration, but also moisturizes. Okay, So after 10 minutes have passed, we will remove the solution, the liquid, just with a tissue. Okay, it's better to use a tissue because you can also wash it off, but using a tissue is better because you can just then wipe the solution off. Okay, and you can actually see this is actually not dirt, but it's dead skin coming off as well, so you can probably see as well. So again, as I mentioned, it's got many advantages to it. It is recommended that you use this 2 to 3 times a week, so you see many benefits, many advantages over time, and you can see the result over time as well. Obviously, with any tip that you use for skin especially, you need to be quite regular, so it's good if you use this quite regularly. So I really hope you liked the tip today, and definitely try it out and let me know in the comment section how you liked it, whether it worked or not. Again, as I said, you should use this regularly over a period of time, and then let me know, and your care colleagues as well. Share it with your family, your friends. I'm sure it's a great tip, especially for preparations for Eid, and I'm sure you enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe to our channel. We will come up in the future with more useful, beneficial videos. Let us know what else you want to see, and we will try to keep that into consideration. Thank you so much, and until next time, Allah Hafiz.
जी बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। उम्मीद है कि आपको आज का जो मेरी बेटी ने टोटका दिया आपको पसंद आया होगा, तो ज़रूर यूज़ कीजिएगा। ईद आने वाली है, ईद से पहले हर किसी का दिल चाहता है कि उसके हाथ खूबसूरत लगें, तो ये वीक में उन्होंने कहा कि 3 दफ़ा कीजिएगा, तो ज़रूर कीजिएगा और फिर हमें फ़ीडबैक दीजिएगा कि कैसा लगा आपको। तो लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। अल्लाह ताला आपको खुश रखे, अपना और अपनी फैमिली का ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।